So let me share with you guys how to hard reset your DJI Osmo Nano. So whether your DJI Osmo Nano is stuck or cannot load screen or something, you can hard reset it. But this should be your last option because it can wipe your storage and all your footage in your internal storage. So if possible, make sure to transfer your internal storage to your SD card. I'm gonna show you only the steps because mine is working and I don't want to wipe my camera. So all you're gonna have to do is to press and hold the camera button and the dock button at the same time, at least 10 to 15 seconds. Try this and wait what's gonna happen. If it doesn't work, repeat the process, hold both buttons at the same time, and after 15 seconds, release the camera button and keep holding the dock button. Another 15 seconds. Then release the buttons once the reset sequence starts. So that's the whole process. Make sure to try it, but keep in mind a hard reset may delete video files stored in your camera's internal memory. So if possible, make your backup first. So quick recap, both buttons holding 15 seconds, and if this not working, repeat the process, both buttons 15 seconds, then release the camera button and keep holding the dock button, and it should hard reset your device. If you have any questions, make sure to comment, make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.